my channel. Today we're doing this really fun spider realism face paint, and it is really fun. We're using the Mehron water-based paints that it dries down, and this is great for any kind of party where you don't really want to put a lot of thought into a costume, but you'd rather the focus be totally on your makeup. So if you want to see how to get this spider look, please keep watching. Okay, so we are going to get started. I already have my base makeup on, so we're just gonna start with the spiders. Basically, we're gonna have a big spider coming out of our eye, a bit of a spider coming out of our mouth, a little spider over on the cheek, and a couple spiders on my chest. So I'm gonna start with the eye spider. No, Izzy. My cat wants to be a part of the party. And I'm just using my Mehron makeup, their Paradise Makeup 8-color palette, and it's just water-based makeup, so it'll dry completely down. And I'm using it's very well loved. I'm using the black. Okay, now I am going to do the one over on my cheek here. And I'm gonna get a little bit of a bigger brush, simply because I am going to be doing the body of this spider. Okay, so next we are going to start adding shadows to this spider. So I have a little tiny brush here, it's just a little pencil brush, and I'm going to be using these dark gray shadows. And I'm going to be putting them underneath the spider leg to kind of give the illusion of shadows, like it's popping out of my face. Now I've got the illusion that the spider is like sitting up on the face. Now we're gonna add some shiny details, some highlights to this look. I'm gonna add a little highlight on the legs of the spider and the body of this spider dome. Now I'm going to add just rinse off one of my brushes here and dip into my red paint. Just a little bit. Just add red on the back of that spider like a black widow. So now we're gonna move on because I'm gonna have some chest spiders here. And so I'm gonna back the camera up just a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing we did on the spider on the face here, and I'm gonna do a spider here and a larger spider over here. So I'm gonna start with the bodies. I like to kind of make it egg-shaped. Next, let's get these legs in. course, now we do the highlights. And like before, I'm just gonna do the little red hourglass figures on the back. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this Mother of Spiders makeup tutorial for Halloween this year. I thought this was really fun, a realism kind of painting on your body. It's really easy to do on your face, so if you had something that you wanted to be more paint versus costume, this is definitely one to go with. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comments below, and I'll definitely be sure to get back to you. We only have one more makeup tutorial for Halloween, so be sure to stay tuned for that this coming Monday, and I will be sure to catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys!